Hey guys, my name is Scoby and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel your Audible subscription. This is going to be a nice, quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you step by step how to do everything. Let's jump right into this. So the first thing you want to do is come to the Audible website. I'll be leaving links to this in the description down below. And you're going to want to make sure you're logged into your Audible account. From this point, we're going to be coming up to the top right and we're going to be hovering over our name right here. We're going to be hovering over this option right here and we're going to be coming down and we're going to be looking for the account details. We're going to be clicking this open, which is going to open up some more information about our account. So the very first thing we're going to see is my membership right here. We're going to see our current active subscription. We're going to see our next billing date. We're going to see how long we've been a subscriber since. And below this, we'll have two extra options to either switch membership or cancel membership. In this case, what I'm going to be doing is clicking the cancel membership option right here, which is going to bring us into more information to actually cancel our membership. So at this point, it will mention that if you currently have any credits in your Amazon account and you cancel your subscription, you will lose your credits. So it is important to spend them first. All the books you have will be kept on your account. However, any credits you have will be lost. So at this point, if you have any credits left, feel free to spend them on anything you would like, just to make sure that's done. From this point, after you've spent all your credits, what we're going to do is come down to the very bottom and we'll have two options here to say no thanks, continue canceling, or keep membership. We're going to say no thanks to continue canceling our Audible subscription. From this point, you can give some more information on why you're canceling your account. Feel free to check any one of these that's most suitable to you, or if you'd like to fill out some extra information, feel free to click other reason and fill out your thoughts here. But from that point, you can select whatever you would like. From this point, all we need to do is come down here to the bottom, click cancel membership one more time. From this point, Audible will also try to offer you a free credit if you keep your subscription going. If you would like to keep going at this stage, you can actually select this free credit. Otherwise, what we're going to be doing is clicking cancel anyway. And from this point, that's the last time you'll have to click. You'll then get this small pop-up, we're sorry to see you go. Your membership has now been cancelled. Once you see this, your membership will be cancelled. If you refresh, you'll see all the extra information here. And just like that, your Audible subscription is cancelled. Anyway guys, it's as easy as that to cancel your Audible subscription. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like. Subscribe if you're new, check out the other videos on the channel. I'm going to be leaving a link down below to my PayPal if you found these videos helpful and you want to support me. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, as always, keep it saucy. Peace.